Morning, students. We completed in your second semester syllabus this chapter, measurement of time. Then next one chapter, see in your textbook page number 76, calendar. But in this chapter here no examples, no questions, only calendar, the festival in the month of October, the holidays in the month of August. Means this year you see this calendar, and in the month of October which festivals are there, then you write here in here column. See in your textbook, the holidays in the month of August, means in August month which on date holidays, then you write here how many days after the 5th of December in Christmas, and the days of the Sundays in June, means in June month how many Sundays, and date write. Here chapter is completed, over. No any questions here. Then in your syllabus this next one chapter, fractions. See in your textbook page number 78, fraction. Fraction means one part is divided into equal parts. One part is divided into equal parts. It is called as a fraction. See here, this one part. This one part is divided into two equal parts. Equal parts. See here, firstly two equal parts. This one part is divided into two equal parts. Means this one part, and it is divided into two equal parts. Then this part is called as a fraction. Then this firstly see here, this one part is divided into two equal parts. Again this part is equally divided, means one part is again divided how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This upper part is called as in fraction numerator. Spelling see, numerator, numerator. And this below part means this part is called as a denominator. One part is divided into equal parts. Here one part, firstly this one part is divided into two equal parts, means 1 by 2. Again this part, one part is divided into 4 parts, means 1 by 4. And it is also called as 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 4 means 1 quarter. 1 by 4 means 1 quarter. And 3 by 4 means 3 quarter. 3 quarter. Quarter means half again, half part of this half, means 1 by 2 half, quarter part. Then see this one part is again divided into 8 parts. Here one part is divided equally again. Firstly one part here, this is divided into equal parts again. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you write here 1 by 8. When something is divided into two equal parts, see this here rectangle. This is divided into two equal parts. When something is divided into two equal parts, each of the part is half. This part is half, this part is half. Then observe the pictures given below. See here. Here a whole gava. Then this is a half gava. A whole cake, it is divided into two parts. This half cake. A whole apple, it is also divided into two parts. This half an apple, see here. And a whole watermelon, this also divided into two parts. This half a watermelon. Then next one, see in your textbook, this page number 79. Color a half of each of the pictures given below. here pictures given and it is divided here, then but you color a half of each of the pictures. Half means here firstly one part is divided into two parts, means out of these two parts only one part you color here. In second, see this circle also divided two parts, then only one part you color it. Then third one, see here, this how many parts are here? 4. But for half 2 means only 2 parts you color it. Then next one figure you see this here, 2 parts. Out of these 2 parts only one part you color it. Then see next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 parts. But out of these 4 parts, half means 2. Only 2 parts you color it. Then next one picture, see here, a line has been drawn in each of the figures given below. Put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into 2 equal parts by that line. Here some pictures given here, and which part is divided into 2 equal parts, then only you tick here. Then first one, see, these 2 parts equally? No. Second figure, see, these 2 parts equally? No. This third figure you see here, these parts equally divided into 2 parts, then you tick here. Then next figure, this also divided into equally 2 parts, then you tick here. Then last picture you see here, this divided into 2 equal parts, no. This small triangle and this big triangle, then it cross here. Then next one part you see here, quarter. Quarter means this 1 by 4, means one part is divided into 4 parts. One part is divided into 4 parts. You see here. Square. This square is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. One part is divided into 4 parts. Then when something is divided into 4 equal parts, then each of the part is quarter of that thing. This one part is divided into 4 equal parts, means here 1 divided by 4, and it is called as quarter of that thing. See this picture. Observe the pictures below to understand this meaning of quarter. Here cucumber, a whole cucumber. This cucumber, a quarter of a cucumber. This only firstly you divide into 2 equal parts. Again this half part you divide into, means 1 quarter. Again this watermelon, this also here quarter watermelon. A whole cake it is divided into 4 equal parts, and 1 part is a quarter. Then again next one point is here, a whole, half, quarter, 3 quarters. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay.